is going on, guys? It's Kevin back again with a quick new video, just letting you guys know what I've been doing and what I've been working on. And as you can see, I'm back over here with the Lexus. Now, I was kind of discouraged with that last video that I made because getting caught up by something as simple as a injector O-ring, it just frustrated me that I couldn't do any more to it. So when I left here, I ordered a brand new set of O-rings. But after a couple of hours, I thought to myself, I was like, oh shit, you know what? I've got a brand new set of injectors that's in the trunk of the Civic that I'm going to put in there eventually. I wonder if the O-rings actually are the same, and they were. So the night before last, I got off of work early. I got off at about 2:30 in the morning, and I came over here and I started working on the car. As a wise deity once said, let there be light, and so shall it be. Yeah, my schedule. There we go. Yeah, my schedule's been insane. Now, I didn't get the car done. I did put the cams in and stuff like that. I still had to put the timing belt back on, the VVTi gear, all the other stuff that comes with it after that. You know, the intake plenum, and all that stuff. So I had a little time today, and I came over here and I put it together. And now it's together, and I want you guys to be here for the very first attempt to start this car after doing all that work. This is 8 months of waiting, so I'm very excited. I've already put the battery in. I've spun the car over to get the oil pressure built up, but I unplugged the coils and that type of stuff so it wouldn't actually fire. So I'm not sure if this thing's going to start up or not. Let's try and let's see. Alright, so excuse any mess that's here, and I still haven't put like the front timing cover or anything like that on there. I might not even do that.
90% of the time I have no idea what the fuck I'm talking about.
But let's see if this thing is going to start up. Cross your fingers for me, guys. Please cross your fingers. I don't want to take this damn thing back apart.
And now, our feature presentation.
All right, guys, so the car is out. The first time it's been out in a long time. I'm super excited today. Now, I can't actually drive the car because the initial reason that the head gasket was blown in the first place is the radiator is busted. So I got to get a radiator for it. I'm probably going to go ahead and get a bulkier radiator just because I am going to mod it later. But as for now, the car runs incredible. It also needs a mass airflow sensor. I have one, I just have to find it. So, but I'm good with how it came out. Like I said, it runs, it revs incredibly good. It's nothing but going up from here. It's going to get better and better and better. At least I can move it. At least I can get it out. At least I can, get it cleaned up and do some body modifications and stuff like that, like cosmetic stuff that I wanted to get done to it. I have a ton of parts that I want to put on this car, and I just haven't had a chance to do anything to it. So we are, as of right now, done with the Lexus until I get the radiator and we can take it on the maiden voyage. So we're going to concentrate more on Susan and the Turbo Civic. So we're going to do that. That's going to be coming up probably here in a couple days. I'm just excited I got this back together, and I appreciate all you guys for watching my videos. And let me know if you want to see anything in particular when it comes to Lexus or when it comes to the Civics. And I'll see if I can put that in some of the videos. So that is it for today, and I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you guys later.